Kamwabitegedde byantuuseeko naye mubeere bakakkamu nange ndi muntu oluusi nnemererwa so okulemererwa si musango.
Black oli otya?
Ibula ebintu bibadde bimpuubyo guno omwezi ogwo gwa birthday gwange guno ogwa July ogugenda okuggwa mu bintu bimpuubyemu naye ng'era woomanyi nayita mu ttanuulu.
Tusooke edduwa osooka weerombera edduwa weesabire nga wejjako ekyokoola ky'ebizibu.
Edduwa eneeyita ku lulimi ya Rabbi nga sitodde shahadu.
Shahadu oyagala kutoola mirundi emeka?
A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad Allahu samad lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.
And I'm the future King of France.
And I'm your future Queen.
Then you'll learn to respect my decisions.
Respect goes both ways. I will not have a relationship like your mother and father.
I am nothing like my father, and for you to suggest otherwise...
Then why are you acting like him?
I'm not. If I was acting like my father, I would take Olivia as my mistress, which is certainly an option.
Then don't let me stop you.